हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम टू द माय यूट्यूब चैनल। आज आज आप एक लीड कोड का प्रॉब्लम देखने वाले हैं। प्रॉब्लम नंबर है 1920। ये लीड कोड का एरे का प्रॉब्लम है। द प्रॉब्लम इज बिल्ड एरे फ्रॉम परमुटेशंस। In this problem, we are giving the one of the array, and it is to rearrange that array. Means basically, we are giving the elements in the array 0, 2, 1, 5, 3, 4. In this array, we इसको rearrange करना है as based on their actual element and index. Means in it is a first is a 0, it is a rearranged as a index of 0. Second element is 2. This element, it is a 2, means it is a this actual element is a 2, and it is converted into the index. So index is nothing but the 2. It is a second position of the array, and this one is nothing but it is the actual element of array, but it is converted into the index as a 1, means first position, like that. And 5 is a fifth positions of the array, and 3 is nothing but the third positions of that array. And based on this 4 is nothing but the also based on the okay. In these positions is a fifth element is nothing but the index of fifth. So fifth element is nothing but the index of fifth. This 3 is nothing but the position of index fifth, means this is a fifth. And fourth is nothing but it is a third index of the original array, means fourth is nothing but this array. The original array is nothing but a array of it is a given which is a original array. In this original array, basically we are converted into this array. So where this array is, we can found, so 0, 1, 2, 4, 5 and 3. So it is a final array. We can create the this array converted into the index form. So now move to the code how to solve that problem. First, create a static method, and return type is a array. Give the name of the method and array. Create a temporary array as a temp variable. We are used new int. Basically it is a length of array. So create a for loop to traverse each element in the array up to the array length. To store that array in a temporary array of I, means index of I to converted into the index, means original element is nothing but the 2. So it is converted into the 2 is a index of 2. So second position is a 2. So it is converted it is stored into the temporary array, and return a final temporary array. And also create a result of array. Call this method and traverse each element in result array up to the result length, and print the array result of I, and let see the output. the output is a 0 1 2 4 5 3. It is a final output. ओके, क्या आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा? तो आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए एंड सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलिए. थैंक यू.